We're ready to go.
Okay. While I was out hunting for things to rebuild yesterday, I ran across a gentleman, great old guy, that has just a ton of stuff. And he has quite a few really old things that are just worth seeing. The first one I thought was pretty cool was this old lawnmower. It has a cigarette lighter. When was the last time you saw a lawnmower with a built-in cigarette lighter? I mean, wow. So let's take a look at a couple other things that he had that are. We have this saw, which is a 24-inch monster of a saw. Nothing but cool. He won't sell it to me because he likes his toys, and you can't blame him on this one. This is a beautiful toy. I just figured I'd have to show it to you real quick. The saw is a... What kind of saw is it?
Pro. Pro BG40.
There you go. It's a Pro Ink, and the saw is a Pro BG40, PB40. I'm sorry. The saw is a Pro B40, and it's just the coolest thing I've seen in a long time. I'm sure you wouldn't want to get your fingers or toes or anything near this bad boy. And what he also has that you just can't walk away from is, look at this. It's a fully functional 2-horse reel mower with an external winding cord. And he showed me the coolest feature on this. Not only does it start, it starts on the first pull. And as you saw, you ground out the spark plug to turn it off. That's remnants of days gone by, and very cool ones at that.